Deputy Minister, as the winter comes, the hours of darkness get longer, and therefore we need to be looking at driving in the hours of darkness. And we would obviously rely upon street lighting where it is available to be operationally effective, particularly along the trunk roads. Now, in Port Talbot, the street lighting on the overhead section has been taken away for several months. The stumps still stand there. In the darkness and the night, you can't see the stumps because it's that dark. When will the Welsh Government actually be putting the lights back in place so that section, elevated section of the M4, which should be lit, is lit, which should make it safer for drivers, particularly in an area which is criticised very much for the traffic congestions?
Well, certainly, the columns were cut down in April after one of them collapsed, and the other structures were found to have failures which made them a safety risk. They were therefore removed. A report was then commissioned to look at what options were available to us, and found that in the 20 years since the lights have been in place, that the standards have changed, and in fact, by modern standards, it wouldn't have been built like that in the first place, and the view of the experts were that the section of road was overlit. They're now looking at what the options are of how alternatives can be put in place and how we can bear cognizance of the decarbonisation agenda, so we would possibly have different lighting options using less energy. So that is currently taking place. It will take some 3 months for the lighting columns to be ordered, so it's unlikely to happen this financial year. We are considering options in the meantime, particularly flood lighting, but that would need generators. But we are hoping to have some recommendations we can act on in the coming months.